So hello everyone, today we are going to see two job updates from Cisco. So the first one is software engineer and the second one is going to be network support engineer. So for both these roles, there will be different qualifications and different batches eligible. So you need to watch till the end to know about the things that is required for you to know. So first of all, let's see it. So this is Cisco software engineer India, and then they are hiring for the year 2027. And then you can see there is 12 locations that is available for this, and the job ID is here, and also this is a hybrid role. So there will be a mix of both work from home and work from office. So let's look into the available 12 locations. So that is Bangalore, Chennai, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, New Delhi, Noida, Pune, Thane and Vijayawada. So these are the main locations that is available in India. So here you can see what are the things that you will be doing. So I'll just skip it. You can see the skills that is required and whatever things that you need to do. So you'll just need to look into the things like that is TCP or IT networking fundamental concept of routing and switching, and then also the basic of routers, switches, network debugging tools, techniques. So also you should know about the security technologies like firewall, IPS or IDS, VPN, inspections, IPsec, TLS and etc. So you should also know the strong knowledge of programming scripting language like Python, and also strong programming skills inclined towards the optimization and performance. So they are hiring for multiple roles. If you see, this is software engineer role, but if you look into the things, they are hiring for software engineer network protocol, they are hiring for software engineer application software, and then they are hiring for software engineer embedded and then system development, and then you have the minimum qualification and other things. So you will have to read based on whatever role you are interested in. Basically I think based on your performance they will be putting you in the specific roles. So I will show you the requirements that is required from you. So the minimum qualification is 2027 graduate only, so you should be pursuing your degree, right? So you can actually apply it. This is for 2027 graduate, and this is for masters or bachelors with 0 years of related experience. Basically it is from 0 years of experience for both bachelor's and master's degree. Then in the preferred qualification they are telling you that you should have the proven ability to lead and resolve a complex technical problem, and also have a excellent collaboration and communication skill, then a self motivated with a strong drive to achieve results. So this is the thing that is required for you in the first role. It is eligible for 2027 batch. And then let's look into the next role, that is network support engineer. I'll just show you with coloring it. This is network support engineer, bachelor's degree, and then it is a full-time role, and also this is for the location Bangalore. Last role we had 12 locations, this is Bangalore, and then this is hybrid as well. So let's now scroll down. Here you can see the minimum qualification, right? So it is different from the previous role. So you need to have like 0 to 2 years of experience supporting and troubleshooting LAN, WAN and VPN devices, and then you should have also done with supporting and troubleshooting the DHCP service, and foundational awareness of AI concept, and experience utilizing AI powered tools for the platform in a technical support environment, and also a strong written and verbal communication skill combined with desire to deliver a strong customer service. So in the preferred qualification this is not mandatory, but if you have this, this is a very good thing for you. You will have an added advantage. So you can see you should have communication and collaboration with the cross functional teams, external partners and others, and also some excellent time management skills. These are soft skills. So you can see these are some soft skills. You will be interested in learning and working with emerging AI tools. Those are things that is required. But here is the most required thing, that is networking certification such like CCNA, CCNP, CWNA. So you need to know this, and also basic understanding and hands-on experience with firewalls, routing or switching, LAN, VPN, wireless, content filtering and other things, and also knowledge of some network protocols such as TCP, STP, ARP, Ethernet, OS, PF, UDP, Radius 802, 1X, and this is a bonus for you. So basically preferred qualification is bonus for you. Other than that, the minimum qualification is what required for you. So I have shown you both the roles. I will give you the link in the description, so you can find the link in the link in description. Okay, so please apply as soon as possible. So we don't know like when they are closing this, so you need to apply as soon as possible. Okay, so I'll meet in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.